Once upon a time, in the heart of a bustling kingdom, there lived a young princess named Elara. Elara had grown up in a grand palace, surrounded by the finest things the kingdom could offer. Her days were filled with lessons in etiquette, history, and the arts, preparing her for the day she would become queen. However, amidst her royal duties, Princess Elara harbored a secret passion. She loved to cook. It all started one rainy afternoon when Elara, wandering through the palace's vast corridors, stumbled upon the kitchen. The royal chefs, busy preparing a feast, didn't notice the curious princess watching them in awe. Elara was mesmerized by the chef's skillful dance, their hands weaving magic as they transformed simple ingredients into sumptuous dishes. Day after day, Elara returned to the kitchen, each time more eager to learn. The head chef, noticing her interest, offered to teach her the basics of cooking. Under his guidance, Elara discovered she had a natural talent for it. She learned to mix spices to create vibrant flavors and to cook meat to perfection. She even invented some recipes of her own, much to the delight of the palace staff who were her first taste testers. Word of Princess Elara's culinary skills soon spread throughout the kingdom. People were surprised, for it was unusual for royalty to indulge in such activities. Yet, Elara was undeterred. She loved the joy that her cooking brought to others, and she realized that this was her true passion. Elara's parents, the king and queen, noticed the happiness that cooking brought their daughter. They were initially skeptical, believing a princess's role was to rule, not to cook. However, seeing her dedication and the joy she brought to the kingdom, they supported her wholeheartedly. The climax of Elara's journey came when the kingdom hosted a grand banquet for neighboring royals. Instead of relying on the royal chefs, Elara volunteered to cook the entire feast herself. The guests, unaware of the chef's identity, were enchanted by the meal. Each dish was a masterpiece, filled with flavor and love. When it was revealed that Princess Elara was the chef, the guests were astonished. They praised her talent and courage in pursuing her passion. Elara's story spread far and wide, inspiring people across lands to follow their hearts and embrace their true passions, regardless of their origins or expectations placed upon them. Princess Elara continued to cook, balancing her royal duties with her culinary pursuits. Her kitchen became a place of joy and creativity, a symbol of following one's heart despite the odds. And thus, Elara lived happily ever after, not just as a princess but as a chef, a teacher, and an inspiration to all.